My people, welcome to this channel. This video you are watching now is about a man. This man has lived in Awka, a town in Anambra State of Nigeria, for more than 22 years. This man knew very well that Awka people forbid people from killing or eating the meat of monkey, which is enwe in Igbo language. But this man has been killing and eating this animal up to this day. But as God may have it, luck fell out on him and he was caught. An old man like this. This is a warning to some people. Anywhere you go to, try and respect their laws. Try and respect their culture. This particular animal, known as enwe or monkey, is forbidden only in Awka. In some other town, maybe in neighboring town, they might be forbidding another animal. Try and respect it. If you go to Roman, try and behave like Romans. Try and respect Roman laws. Try and respect Roman culture. Now you see, this is the problem with African people. We African people, we disregard our own laws and culture. Just like in my community, we don't work on a day. That day is meant for the gods. You can only work on a day in the evening of a day, not in the morning of a day. And in all the day, we work only in the evening and not in the morning. That is our own culture. That is our own laws. And everybody abide to it. We keep it. As old as this man is, what will this man teach his children? What will this man tell his children? But if it is white man that tells you to keep Sunday holy, he will keep it because it is from the white man. But his ancestors has made some law for him to keep. He will not keep it. The white man will tell you that Sunday is a holy day. You have to keep Sunday holy. And he will do it. But that one that has been existing before the white man came, which is our own market days, because every community has a day they revere, or a day they forbid people from farming, or doing all that one thing or the other. But our black man, our fellow Igbo man, will not keep to it. This channel is meant for preaching and promoting Igbo culture and values. And I will continue to promote it. I want our people to uphold the cultures and tradition of our land, to respect the culture and custom of our land. Anywhere you find yourself in Igboland, try and know their culture, their do's and don'ts, and keep to it so that you will save yourself from all this harassment and embarrassment. If it were in the past, this man, they might kill this man. They might kill him. And many will be blaming the Asian people for doing such things. But this is the reason why all those things that our ancestors, most of our ancestors did in the past, happened. This is one of the reasons why some of them happened. So we attacked those. So we attacked all sorts of names. Because of all these things, you can't keep the law of the land.
Okay. Man, even now, I call na nke abụrụ nke izi na-egbu. Nke izi. Ana manu ino kwusi okwu ike. Okay.
Nke anụma, o nwere nwa mmanụ kpata mebe isi jide n'isi nke ihe mkpa na nse nọ n'ọhịa anụ mkpa. Ọ gwara ka ha nene akpa ma bụrụ ya. Adịghị m akọwa m nsi ahịa igbu na mebe ọ bụrụ nke ọ bụla ha ma apa ya kpa ma aka m na isi m. Si ahịa igbu na megbu. Ebe ọ bụla ha ma na-apa m ebi. ama m na mapụ n'itibu apara m ga na apata m ga-achọ m ka ukwu n'igbo
Fame alọ nke ibigo n'Ọka. Alọ nke ibigo n'Ọka.
arụ
Ke arụ ne ka ibigo n'Ọka.
abịa m obodo anyị na
2000. That is, ọ bụ na agbakọ ọfụma. This is 24 years ịnọgoro Ọka. Ọ na nwere idea ka m bịa gee ntị na-aṅa ntị. Ọ na nwere idea na ndị Ọka nri egbu enwe. Mana ọ na nwere idea kwufu eziokwu.
eziokwu enwere m adịghị agọta ọ mistake mkpakala gburie nke agbakọkwana onye egwu onye egwu nna m ebu ahụ m agbakwa agba ọ mpakara
Mana iwe na nna nke ọrụ ihe a na ole ka igbugo
ofu ka efere mpe nke ubuo ya ọ nke anọ m
24 years as a work in the
yesa
ndị Igbo kwenye la
onwekwa nke m lere elu iji unu enye m ya gbuo m
onye chi ihe mee ihe aghọta na ihe mee na-emego ara egbughị egbu kama na a ga-eme ihe elu oshi wee kwesị ka eme enye enwere omenala a na-emelie ịnaniwe na-ekwu nweta iru ịnaniwe na-ekwu enulibe nkwu ara egbughị egbu ara eti o nwere onye egbu ịma na
Ọka na-asa enwe nsọ ka ebe ijiji gbagharịa gbara